How to animate a graphic video overlay on LumaFusion using the keyframe method. Thanks for stopping by, guys. My name is Sharon and I am a video editor. Excuse me for the noise because this house it's never going to be quiet. Trust me, I've got 10 kids and currently 8 of them are living with me. So anyway, moving on to the tutorial. Once you're in your project, you select your clip that you desire to change and animate. Then you press the pencil button.
To be able to see the animate button, you'll need to be in the frame and fit tab.
Taking a look at each function, the animate button is over here. Then you have the step forward button or the step back button. And so now what's left to do is to animate. So select the step forward button and move the frame. Then step forward button, then move the frame. Step forward, move the frame. Yes. Anyways, you've got the idea. I'm gonna go to my toddler now. Oh, I forgot to mention, if you do make a mistake, you can press the X button right there. And if you wanted to select a specific keyframe, you jump forward and jump back. Also, I wanted you to know that the reason why I like this LumaFusion app is because it's so simple to use with just your fingers, you know, like it's so, I don't know what you call it, intuitive and easy, and it's just painless, really. Especially when you're having to move the animation with your 2 fingers, with your thumb and index finger, you can just maneuver it, rotate it, and yeah, you know what I mean. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye for now. How to transfer pictures from an iPhone to another Apple device coming up. One of the reasons why I like the iPhone is the ability to airdrop from iPhone to iMac. Yes, it's an old iMac 2012, which is why you still see Catalina, but I'm gonna hopefully get a new one soon. And you probably noticed the little animation that I did with the covering of the contacts. So yeah, that tutorial will come soon. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please give it a like and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.